Hey, I'm Rachel. I'm a certified trauma informed yoga teacher and Reiki master. Today we're doing a guided meditation practice to stop overthinking. Come to sit or lie down comfortably with the spine tall and the shoulders relaxed. If you're prone to anxiety, overthinking, or ruminating, this guided meditation helps to focus and quiet the mind. To start, bring the thumbs to gently touch the index fingers for Gyan Mudra and let the hands rest palms face up or down on the knees. If you're doing this practice lying down, the hands will rest alongside your body. Gyan Mudra promotes mental clarity and focus. With the palms up, you invite insight, new ideas, and inspiration to come through. If you flip the palms down, you ground your energy and promote a sense of balance and peace. Choose whichever one feels right and matches your intention for today. Close the eyes now and let your inner gaze, your drishti, drift up toward your third eye. Keep your inner focus here as you bring your attention to your breath. For this meditation, we'll breathe a very specific way called Samvritti Pranayam, which translates to mind balancing breath. You'll inhale through the nose for a count of 4. Hold the breath at the top for a count of 4, and then exhale for a count of 4. Let's try it together now. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Continue to repeat this pattern at your own pace. The important thing is that the inhale, hold time, and exhale are equal in length. If you start to feel uncomfortable with this breath for any reason, return to your natural breath and rest. Otherwise, keep going with Samvritti Pranayam. Keep your inner gaze at the third eye. You'll hear my voice again in a few minutes. Finish your last cycle of breath. Relax. Breathe normally now. Relax the mudra and wiggle your fingers. Rub the palms along the tops of the thighs. Dip the chin toward your chest. And when you're ready, open the eyes and lift your head. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.